You define your own success. Ito ang sinabi ni Janine Gutierrez habang nagninilay-nilay sa kanyang paglalakbay sa showbiz na nagmula sa isang pamilya ng mga magagaling na artista. Sa isang panayam, tinanong si Janine kung nakaramdam siya ng pressure na makamit ang parehong antas ng tagumpay tulad ng kanyang mama at lola na itinatag ang kanilang legacy sa industriya. No, kasi imposible, and that's what I had to remove from my brain din when I was starting. Kasi how can you compete with the women in my life? Parang hindi talaga kaya, saad ng aktres. I guess that was one of the things din that was stopping me before from trying to enter showbiz. Kasi feeling ko, paano pa? Ano pa ang mapapatunayan ko dyan? They've done everything. Pagbabahagi pa niya. Pero naisip ng aktres na there's space for everyone. Pinunto pa ni Janine. That's why I also hate it when they pit women against each other because everybody can be successful. There's space for everyone and just be true to your own journey. Don't compare yourself to your peers or don't put too much pressure on what other people have achieved kasi you define your own success. Hindi daw niya talaga gusto yung kinukumpara siya sa ibang artista. Dahil para sa kanya, may kanya-kanya silang talento. Magkakaiba sila ng gustong marating sa buhay at kanya-kanya silang pagsisikap para maging matagumpay.